If you guys ever have wondered what it's like to do the Shamrock run in Portland, Oregon, well, we're about to find out together because I've never done it, but this is my first year. I'm going to be doing a 5K, and today is Friday. We're going to go pick up our package. Nobody's doing it anymore. The racer?
This is welcome racist.
What did he say? And then you're running a 5K, does that sound correct?
Yes.
Okay.
These are like the gel bag bands. We are ready to go. Here's all of our bags, our shirts, and our numbers. Yeah, here's my headphones over here. This is what we look like. I'll wear a hat. Alright, we just arrived to pick up Ivan. How do you feel?
I feel good. I don't feel nervous yet.
Same. I feel fine. We got this, that's why. Show the little leprechaun. You hella excited or what?
We're ready. No, we're not.
Yeah, I'm hella pumped with that music.
Oh. Ivan's on this side.
Sha. Here it comes!
Sure you stayed there?
Yeah, that's our wrestler did that.
Oh.
Put this next to your crotch. I didn't want to, like, if you brought yours.
We bought sunscreen. The essentials. What else do we got here?
Sunscreen, FP50. All the goose.
Oh, honey stingers. We got amazing honey stinger. They're energy waffles.
Those are mine. Those are mine.
We got.
We already know they're one.
Energy gel. So you suck these up real good, and then it just.
He's never eating one.
Birthday cake. Whose birthday is it? All of our birthdays, man. Chocolate outrage. Not just normal chocolate. It's outrage.
Outrage.
Babe, record me while I put my shoes on. Are you recording good? Yeah? Okay. Let me pretend to stretch a little bit.
I'm so excited. First race ever.
Wow, the sunrise is so beautiful. And look at all of these people.
Hi guys, this is Alicia here again with another stretching video. This is stretching for dummies. Yeah, just do like 3 of these and you'll be good. And 5 of these. Oh, my knee's really tight, guys. Can't believe it. Quick. You hear that? That's my knee, guys. Yeah, I heard this flavor is the worst flavor out of all the flavors, waffles. Not even Gordon Ramsay would eat it. Yeah, guys, and guess what? It's not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad.
They called my name, so I have to go, okay, guys? Don't miss me too much. I'll be back, okay? Just watch where I am. Don't lose me. Keep watching so you don't lose me.
3 Doritos después. Yeah, we lost her.
I like chicken nuggets, yes. I like pizza, yes. I like cheeseburgers, yes. I like turtles.
What's up, cooches?
I just took the stinkiest poop ever in my life.
Yeah, so how about them Niners, though?
It's been like 30 minutes since I haven't seen my babe, so let me call her because I miss her.
Oh man, you're a must boot if you miss her, huh? Yeah, I wouldn't. Huh, Ivan? He's a must boot? Yeah, I'm drinking this, but I agree, yeah.
Babe, where are you? Because the guys are making fun of me and I can't see you yet. Oh, wait, I see you. Can you see me? I'm raising my hand.
Hi, guys. I just finished my race. Yeah, it was so hard. It was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Yeah. I even had to battle a freaking Minotaur. And I saw Voldemort drinking unicorn blood over there. Yeah, by the forest.
Ain't no way. Yeah, she's capping.
Look, guys, I got my medal. Now I can go home. Bye.
Finally, our turn is coming up, huh? Yeah, I know, I'm so excited. Come here, come here.
Water check. Do your chain hang low? Do it wobble to the floor? Do it shine in the light?
Oh, high five. Oh, high five. Where's my hug at, mother fudger? And a kiss.
Don't ever leave me again, okay?
Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, I almost died over there. No, yeah. Oh, you missed my.
How you feeling?
Nervous out to poop.
And he just got a cramp on
Oh
his.
yeah, on my foot. On my shoes.
How are you feeling?
Feeling good, feeling great, feeling great. Muhammad Ali.
He's extra ready. He's more than ready.
It's the nerves.
It tastes pretty good.
Pasa el número.
Dude, we got these bags and it looks like we were straight out of prison.
They gave them out there.
I know, we got some. But
I'm not finna cap, not ready for this shit, but we'll get done.
you have to be.
We'll see what's up.
The pins están adentro.
Chill with the hyper chanclas, come on. You running those or what?
Fuck yeah. Fast as fuck. Fast as fuck, boy.
They're gonna run you over.
Dude, on the back of this, my emergency contacts I put myself. But it was like an accident.
I didn't fill it out either.
Me neither.
Me neither.
Hey, me doing the 5K. Runner's math, how many goos do you need for
I
half
need
marathon?
3 for a half marathon.
Take this chocolate coconut at the end.
The Rocktain at the end.
Start at the end. Why should I take it in the middle?
Isn't that the Rocktain one you said?
Yeah, that's the Rocktain.
You're gonna keep running.
I'm gonna take it in the middle. I'm gonna take the Rocktain.
This is all over lava.
You have to
What else
power.
do we need?
You have to power up.
What else do I need? I have my headphones.
I got my earbuds.
Dude,
Hopefully
Angel
I find
has,
them right now.
Angel has to poop because he's nervous. Huh?
It's more pee, but si sale popón, pues ya.
Okay. Alright, everybody else just started their race, so I'm gonna go wait. I think it's gonna be about 2 hours, maybe 2.5, but it's barely obviously 9:30 the time they started, and I'm just gonna chill here at the waterfront, but I think I'm gonna go eat because I'm pretty hungry. And they have the little Sunday market over there, and then there's the cherry blossoms, so I'm gonna go take some pictures and record a little bit of over there, and then I don't know, just hang out, I guess.
What do you normally do when I'm gone?
Wait for you to get back.
Yeah, I miss them already. I wish I was fast and trained to go run with them, but I'm not. I will be, so maybe next time I could run with them. Little stands at the market are not opened yet. I think they open probably like at 10. So in 30 minutes, I'm gonna go see if there's anything to eat over there. But yeah, meanwhile, just chill here. I wish I had a little blanket, but I'm sitting on my sweater. There's a little kids race and they're running back right now. It's so cute. More running in a couple of years. Oh, look at all of these little kids. Oh. Okay, I came to this other side because I think everybody's on their way back right now. I'm waiting right here to see if I can see them. Patiently waiting. They should be coming up, so I'm gonna start looking for them. Either at 2 or 2:15, I think they started. I think it was at 2:15. Good job! Okay, so Crystal and Rigo were first. as expected. I'm just kidding. I see Angel. I see Angel. They're right here. Go back! What mile is it?
3.5.
Damn!
You wait for me,
You guys got this. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye. Love you. I know.
Love you.
He's right here. He's right here. Woo! You got this. Are fast as fuck. Charge my phone because it's at 30%, and I was gonna eat my fresas con cremas there, but I don't know. I have no idea like where to wait for them, and I don't even know where the finish line is. I'm like so dumb. I don't remember where I finished, and then Angel said he was gonna finish there too. So I think I have to walk more that way, but I'm gonna just chill. All right, I ended up coming to the car. I was just sitting right there on the sidewalk eating my fresas con crema, but I need to charge my phone, and they still have about 1 hour because it's almost 11. So they still have about 30. I'm just kidding. They still have about 45 minutes to an hour left. So that would pace them at, I think, well, like basically 2 hours. 9:30. Wait, I don't know math. I need to double check. 9:30, 10:30 is 1 hour. 11:30 is 2 hours. Oh shit! So, right? I'm gonna charge my phone for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go at the finish line. So it's still that way. I'm still hungry. I got fresas con crema, but I didn't want to get like a big meal because we're gonna go eat after. Yeah.
All right, quick test of breath. Quick poll. How many of you are here just for the beer? Yes, I knew we'd find some friends.
No, like, wait that straight. I did. I was like right under 1.5. I did. Thank you.
I did it.
Pretty much in between. Miranda Doyle, Adam Berger from Hillsborough. They're proud to be the presenting sponsor of Official Automotive.
You paid it?
I paid it.
Platanana.
How was it? How was it?
Dude, mile 12. Horrible. I hit the wall. Mile 12, I was like, I went to go shit, and then I caught up to him. I was like,
you went to the bathroom?
yeah, the bathroom caught up to me. Well, fucking, how fast do you guys go?
I got 2 hours.
2 hours? Exactly? I was hella cramping up, bro.
Bro, Bro,
You look dead as hell.
going up?
I'm dead as hell.
Going up, that
You
was...
guys were like,
The back.
I went to the bathroom. I went to the bathroom.
Bumpy bagpiper up on the hill at the There comes Marcelino Bees, Elias Lopez, Avery Hauser, Abby Silva from Waco.
We're clear. Woo! I was saying that. Did you do that?
Yeah.
I did it too. I was like, woo! Woo!
wait, what mile do you want to go?
Animal House. Okay, so what are you gonna do? Okay. Yeah.
That spinner. What? Your brother? Oh yeah. Down with some taters. Is that brisket?
Yeah. Oh no, it's
Pulled pork chop.
Baby steak. That's my stuff, Rigo. Hit your name, bro.
¿Una hamburguesita o qué? I am never doing something like this again till another one.
Until the next one. Until 4th of July.
July. Ew, that one's stinky.
Are you gonna do it, Rigo? The 4th of July?
That one's gonna be an 8-minute one. 8-minute mile.
They're fucking trained for that one.
Wait, that's a half marathon too, right?
Yeah. Got it done, baby. Yeah. Come on now.
Baby Jack. I want to change shoes.
Bye. Get some
Bye.
rest.
Say bye, Zeus.
Bye. ¿Lo manqueando?
Ay. Can't walk no more.
What are you gonna do? Hella pass out?
I'm gonna go to the gym.
Wait, you're being serious?
No, I don't know. Maybe. Hey, I don't know yet.
You don't know if you're being serious or not?
Wild.
Alicia.
Bye. We just got home. We're all done, tired and exhausted. Angel
Yeah.
more probably.
Nah, we're probably the same.
But well, I'm pretty sleepy because I don't like to wake up early, and I never do. But we're gonna take a nap. We just picked up Moy from my sister's house, and he's already taking a nap, so we're just gonna all take a nap together while we can. Yeah, that's what it's like doing a 5K for me, and then a half marathon for the other guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you ever want to try it, go ahead and run it because it was pretty fun. And it's challenging, but it's a good challenge, and it's a good how do you say, it's a good accomplishment. Yeah. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye.